Ён 3-4 грамма нас не надо потрібно поставити. Перевіримо, чим це. Давайте позначаємо, що фоз літера сенс літера С. Фон являється фон since last Saturday, since Thursday, since November, Saturday, 4 days, 4 3 days, 4 months. And since потрібно визначити since F1. There has been a cinema here since I haven't had any homework since Monday. Mr. Thomas has worked at school for 20 years. 5 few months. I had this phone since потрібно визначити правильну відповідь. This restaurant opened had lived. I have known. Did you sing? Have you ever been to Paris? Потрібно закінчити ці образи. Yes, I saw. I have never tried. Please choose this. I tried. Have we met? Have met? Yes, I met. Darling. He hasn't done. I didn't. Четвертый, пятый. Полный текст present perfect, present simple. Have you eaten? I hadn't. Which was I hadn't tried. I didn't. Like he wanted. He was. I think the food has improved. Have changed. Number shift. Потрібно документацію. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. One. Didn't.